Where to find the best quality Shilajit? With the growing popularity of Shilajit, the market is unfortunately flooded with fake or low-quality products. When looking for Shilajit, make sure to choose a reputable source. So what exactly is Shilajit? Shilajit is a sticky tar-like substance that seeps from rocks in high mountain ranges, particularly the Himalayas, during the warmer months. It forms over centuries from the slow decomposition of plant material trapped in rock crevices, undergoing transformation through microbial activity, pressure, and temperature changes. This process results in a mineral-rich compound known as rock sweat or mineral pitch. Shilajit is considered one of the rare substances capable of supporting a wide range of health conditions. High-quality Shilajit should be tested for fulvic acid content, free from contaminants like mold, heavy metals, and other toxins. Look for lab-tested products that clearly state their purity and origin. I tried some cheap Shilajit capsules a couple of years ago because it was the only product available when I lived in Mallorca. It was fake, so I learned a lesson. The brand I take right now is called Pure Himalayan Shilajit. I checked so many different brands, and this one was really outstanding. It met all of my criteria. It has all the lab testing done. It has 60% fulvic acid content, which is really high. It is not contaminated with mold, other toxins, or heavy metals. I went for their soft resin product, and I highly recommend this form, as it's the purest and most natural form. But if you don't feel like making this special drink that I showed you, feel free to try their other products, like the liquid, tablets, and even gummies. This brand uses top-quality Shilajit. It's one of the most potent products on the market. It is harvested at 16,000 feet altitude in the Himalayan mountains. That's around 5 kilometers high. And I'll link them in the description below. You can use my link and the discount code GRETA to get 15% off. You'll find the link and the discount code in the description and also in the first comment. In summary, Shilajit is a powerful natural supplement with a wide variety of benefits, from boosting energy and balancing hormones to enhancing cognitive function and overall wellness. However, quality is key, so make sure you're getting the real deal. Now, how to take Shilajit? Shilajit is available in several forms, including resin, powder, and capsules, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your lifestyle. However, the resin is considered the purest form, but it can be a bit tricky to handle. To take it, dissolve a pea-sized amount in warm water, milk, tea, or even coffee. Shilajit is generally best taken on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of its nutrients and active compounds, maximizing its benefits. Taking it first thing in the morning or between meals is often recommended. However, if you experience any stomach discomfort, you might consider taking it with a small amount of food or milk to ease digestion. I like taking it with warm milk. By consistency, it's like honey, but not sweet. And what does it taste like? It tastes a bit bitter and earthy, and has a hint of smoked taste. It might seem repelling at first, but I actually like it. It's repelling and attractive at the same time, especially with milk and honey, which is one of the traditional ways of taking it. If you prefer a more convenient option, Shilajit liquid can be easier mixed into smoothies. Regardless of the form you choose, it's important to start with a small dose and gradually increase it as your body adjusts to avoid potential side effects. How long should you take it for and how much? It is recommended to take it in courses of 1 to 2 months, taking once or twice a day, repeating the process a few times a year, but some people choose to take it long-term. The dosage of Shilajit used in studies typically ranges from 250 to 500 milligrams a day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried Shilajit or if you have a question. Thanks much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.